Hello, I am Kendra Robinson. Thank you for signing up to participate in the school year program this year. I am excited to meet our new facilitators, and if you're returning, of course, thank you for being committed to the Breakthrough Mission. These videos that I'm preparing for you will provide you a general overview of what to expect in preparation for the October the 5th Super Saturday session. This first video is going to just give you the overall curriculum that we're going to provide for our 7th and 8th graders only. And then you can click on the individual lead that pertains to the enrichment course that you will teach. So I will go ahead and start and provide additional information to kind of clarify what I mean about the enrichment course that you're going to teach. So again, October the 5th sessions, all Super Saturdays are just from 8 to 12. The students will arrive at 9 o'clock. And so they have roughly 3 hours in the program. The Super Saturday enrichment courses, they're 2 paths. One is for the 7th grade and one is for the 8th grade. Both will take public speaking and social emotional learning. The public speaking lesson plans are the same. So they will focus on the same competency in regards to public speaking. The social emotional learning curriculum will differ. They will focus on different intelligences or character building for the different Saturdays. So for the first Saturday, 7th grade will focus on social awareness, and 8th grade will focus on executive functioning skills. 7th grade also will take a technology lab, and 8th grade will take a STEM challenge. So the STEM focused enrichment lesson plan is really planning, designing, creating, using a lot of DIY materials and resources, embedded with engineering standards and the scientific method, which differs a little bit from the technology lab, which focuses on only digital skills and 21st century building those competencies. And so this is primarily going to be on the Google Chromebooks. So those are the 2 different aspects of those two curriculums. The links to the lesson plans are attached to the email. You can access the 7th grade lesson plan, and it will provide you the schedule, the objectives for each of the enrichment courses, the materials that you'll need, and it's going to be already prepared for you, as well as you can go and identify the specific enrichment course that you'll actually teach. And that is also in the email for 8th grade as well. Just a tip, and I'll go over it at 8 o'clock when we first meet during the mini orientation. When the first class or the first family enters into your classroom for the first period session, you'll take the attendance for that family or families only, okay? And then you will implement your enrichment course. So, the schedule. For each of the enrichment courses, there are 40 minutes. So you'll teach 3 40-minute sessions. You facilitators should have a volunteer or volunteers that are coming around to help support you. And then there's a 20-minute brain break. And so you're not leading the brain breaks. The students are going to be directed to designated areas in the building, which can include the gym or the multi-purpose room. And they'll have things like snacks and just the time to just wind down for 20 minutes, get a little break before they finish their enrichment course. Some of the families will take the brain break first, just based on the schedule, and we'll try to change it up each Saturday, and then some will actually take it last, and so they won't go back to an enrichment course. So for the facilitator course sign-up link, you will use Sign Up Genius. The link is located in the email, and what you will do is simply sign up, quickly provide your name, email address of the course that you would want to facilitate and teach. There are only 2 facilitators per subject and enrichment course. So there's 2 7th grade public speaking teachers and 2 8th grade public speaking teachers. So those course classes will be going at the same time. And if you already know that you're adamant that you like to teach those skills, public speaking skills, for instance, I would go ahead and sign up. That way it will automatically confirm once you see your name and you get confirmation that you signed up for it, that you'll actually teach that course. You are able to switch up and change the courses, but if you are unable, you just have to, just for convenience sake, go ahead and teach that enrichment course. So once you get this email, sign up. Next, we're going to go into the curriculum overview. And so at this time, after you sign up, we're going to discuss the objectives and the materials needed for each of those lessons. And those are separate videos. And so just simply, you can click on the links. I'm going to show you really quickly how these slides look. That shouldn't take no more than 5, for sure less than 10 minutes to explain. So you have the agenda. Once again, make sure that you access the appropriate lesson plan. And I will go into the public speaking and the other enrichment courses that we will actually implement on Saturday. So you'll find on each slide there's objectives, the purpose and the rationale for teaching these courses, as well as the materials that should be already in your possession on Saturday morning. Each lesson has a do now work period and a closing in the instructional cycle. And also it has a student folder. There's reflection forms that the students will complete for some of the sessions, and there's some open dialogue discussions for the closing that students will just verbalize in a open or small group session. So once you access the videos and you can access the different slides that pertain to the one you teach, you will move on to the next steps. And so I want to reiterate that first, sign up to facilitate the enrichment course of your desire, and review the enrichment lesson plan and video that is attached in the email. Please contact me for questions or concerns. And again, the report time is 8 o'clock in the Portman Middle School building located at the Lovett School. All right, and so I will see you all in your respective video links. Please contact me if you have any questions, if you are unsure, if you need clarity, even if you see an error that I may have missed. Just contact me, and I will see you all again October the 5th at 8 o'clock. Bye.